Are you looking for something interesting that will last all season long for your small space garden? Welcome to our conifer section. This beautifully textural pine grows 6 to 8 feet tall by 4 to 5 feet wide and much smaller if grown into a container. Each one of these pines is a work of art. They have a really artistic growth habit. They can be kept much smaller and happier in a pot. In the ground, they can grow about 6 feet high and about 6 to 10 feet wide. This soft blue-green little muffin top of a plant is absolutely gorgeous. It can get to be about 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. This gorgeous weeping conifer has a really slender silhouette, so doesn't take up much space in your garden, and it will grow as tall as you stake it. This beauty almost looks ombre with the green and gold fade and the scalloped and twisted growth habit. It's a very, very slow growing plant that would take afternoon shade.